Now we will learn about some other formatting tools available. For example, this is a paragraph starting, okay, and I would like to make it little bit advanced. Okay, for example, this particular paragraph, it is aligned left hand side. Okay, this is aligned to the left hand side and it doesn't look better. Okay, I would like to justify it in the sense all lines, all sentence should be equal in a length. It should be adjusted to both side margin. To do that one, what we have to do, we have to select that particular paragraph and we have to say justified here. You can observe how it will work. Justified, all lines are adjusted to left as well as a right side margin, so equal length it will be. Okay, for example, if you are selecting a left alignment, you can see here it will be all sentence are aligned to left hand side of the margin, but right hand side it will be there blank. If collection will not be able to fit it in a that particular space, it will taken to a next sentence itself. Okay, to avoid that one, we will be using a justify. Okay, then it comes to, for example, this particular header. I don't want to left align. I would like to align to the right hand side. Then we can say right alignment here. Okay, so the all the sentence will be aligned to the right hand side. Okay, left, it will not be start from the left hand side. It will start from the right hand side. In the sense, it will be aligned to the right hand side. Okay, if you like to make it center, you can use a center. Based on your requirement, you can select the alignment format. Okay, usually we select a justified for the entire document. If you like to apply the justified, select Control A and say justified, so that the entire document will be formatted to a justified. In the sense, it will be aligned equally either side of the margin. Okay, this is about a alignment here. The one more thing is nothing but here we have a increase indent or a decrease indent. Indent is nothing but if you like to shift this particular thing to the right, okay, then we can say increase indent. That particular paragraph will be shifted to the right side. Okay, right side from the margin. Okay, if I increase here one more indent, it will be again pushed to the right hand side. Okay, if you like to decrease here, decrease indent. In the sense, to entire paragraph will be moved to the right or left by using this indent, increase or decrease indent. Okay, next it comes to a like a paragraph line spacing. For example, you can observe here in this particular paragraph. Okay, for this particular paragraph, line spacing is there, but after paragraph there is no space added here, or before that paragraph there is no space has been added. To change that one, we have to select that one, select that particular paragraph, go to here, line spacing option. Here, line spacing option, select. You can say add space before paragraph. You can observe that, here there will be an increase in a space the moment you select the add space before paragraph. If you select the add after paragraph, you can observe that here additional space has been created. Again, if you like to increase the line space between the lines, then you can say here 1.5, 2, 2.5, 3, like this you can increase the line between. 1.15 is a better one for the readability. 1.5 will be too much spacing, it will be 1.15 will be better compared to the 1.15 is a better, so you can select that one. Okay, to select for the entire document, again Control A, go through here 1.15 for the entire document, and either side you can add a spacing so that it will be added a spacing. Now you can see it will be little bit better compared to the previous one. Okay, compared to previous one it is little bit better visibility. Okay, if you like to add a space here, select here and tab key to give a small spacing to a first line of your sentence. For example, this one if you like to move it to the right, we'll select a right indent. So it will give the clear idea about which is a header and which is the description about that one, and which is the features. Okay, and again if you like to highlight this entire paragraph, okay, background color need to be changed. Okay, how can we change the background color? Select that one, select that particular paragraph, or keep your cursor anywhere in that particular paragraph and go to here, color shading. Click on that drop down button and select the color which one you would like to apply. For the entire background it will be changed. Okay, then again if you like to add a boundary for that one, go to here, borders, select all borders. Okay, or inside borders, outside border. Again it will be applicable for the table also. Okay, like this you can format. In the sense, your document need to be readable and it should give a informative. In the sense, something if you like to highlight or something, some paragraph you would like to keep it in a box. Okay, you can do it by using these two options. Okay, these are the some of the alignment related options available. If you like to get it more alignment options, you can go here. Okay, for the same thing it will be available here also. At a single time you can do everything here. Okay, here itself you can write, that is a indentation. Okay, right or left side spacing, everything you can write, but it will be difficult to write. For that reason, here itself it will be very easy to manage. This is about a alignment in a Microsoft Word.